Hello everyone, it's Carlene here. I have a parcel from Thelma Hall on YouTube. First, I just wanted to show a bit of this beautiful quilt. I won at the auction that they had a week or so ago for my kids because their house burnt down. They had a potluck dinner and a auction, and I've always wanted a handmade quilt, and I won this at the auction, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I am so in love with it, and I feel so lucky to have it. I do know the lady that made it, and that even makes it nicer, so I just wanted to show that off. So now I got a lovely parcel from Thelma. I'm late getting mine out. Oh, we did a swap for a pocket letter. Okay, here's some cards. Oh, look at this cute thing. Oops, isn't that cute? So I got a card. I'm doing this with one hand. I was going to do this sooner, but I've just been waiting for it to be a little quieter in the house because of all the extras living here right now. Happy Easter. So it says, look at that stamp up there. That's cute. Oops. Hi, Carlene. I hope you have a blessed Easter. Thank you for agreeing to my swap. Hope it is well. Thelma Hall. Thank you so much, Thelma. That's so cute. And then I got Carlene, ATC card, memory decks card. Oh, sorry that I'm using one hand. Thelma Hall. Somebody's thinking about you today. Oh, that is so cute. Look at and the bow. Beautiful. And then she has her information in a little pocket back here. Oh, thank you so much, Thelma. It's gorgeous. That is so cute. And I like how you pop the bunny out and the sentiment. Then we have an ATC card. Happy Easter. Oh, that is so cute. Look at. And she's got some information back here with her address and stuff. Thank you so much, Thelma. I really appreciate it. Your parcel should be getting there this week. A few people should be getting their parcels this week. I am really late. So we'll just put these here. And I see she sent me some cute little orange styrofoam carrots. Those will be good for next Easter. Some Easter stickers. Very cute. And look how she did the topper up. I think that's a piece of cardboard from something that she bought. And I got all these foam eggs. Wow. And they're stickers. So me and my grandkids will have fun decorating those next year. That's very cute. And I got a bag of goodies here. Uh-oh. One hand. Oh, shoot. I have to tear the bag. Hope everyone's doing well. We are enjoying really nice weather. Highs of 22. Oh, this one's stuck. There we go. Oh, look at this one. Oh, that is so cute. I love the mama hand. And, oops, did I show anything? She loves purple and pink, flowers and butterflies. Trying different types of crafts, pocket letters to journals, glue books. Nice. But that is really cute. And then I have a few things here. Oh, another one. Look at this. Another ATC. Happy Easter. And look, these are all popped out. Very cute. Thank you so much, Thelma. Whoops, I keep turning it over before I get it out of sight. Yeah, she's got her address on this one. I think that's it on that. Put that together in a minute. Oh, look at these. Really cute little bunny heads. Oh, those are so cute. Oh, these are pretty. Purple bunny heads. Those are cute. My friend. Aw. I'm glad she wrote her name on everything and put the date. I'm bad for that. That is really sweet. And then I have a bunch of again, I have to use my teeth. Okay, look at these. Are these stickers? I think so, yeah. Those are cute. Trying to stay focused here, sorry. I've been taping lately like the way I normally have, but lately I noticed on YouTube it's been coming out sideways all of a sudden. I don't know if things changed and I have to start taping the other way or what. Look at these all. They're all so pretty. I am really set for Easter for next year. I'm going to be able to put lots of the stuff together. Some more of these little foam eggs. Yep, and they're stickers, same as those ones. Beautiful, beautiful spring colors. This one has already a little design on it. Oh, darn it, sorry. Then I have this bookmark. It says, sorry. Says on the back, trust, and on the front it says, my hope is in God all day long. I can't see that. That's too small for me to read. Look at this bag. Isn't this cute? Wow, that is so cute. You've really found some really cute things, Thelma. Happy Easter. Oh, these are sweet. Isn't it so fun to stamp out things and send them out for somebody else to use in color? They are so cute, and because I don't even have any stamp like that. For you with love. A little itty bitty bunny. A chicken. And an egg. The chicken egg. Beautiful Easter basket. Oh, two from Your Special. Eggs. Hop. Oh, that is so sweet. Thank you so much, Thelma. And then I have this that she sent. I hope I got it the right way. Nope. Oh, there we go. Look at, she decoupaged some napkin onto the cover and Happy Easter. And it looks like it's a folder that she decorated. We have a paper clip she put together. This beautiful tassel that oh, there's my pocket letter. So we'll just pull that out for a minute, or to the side for a minute, and look at the other goodies. Oh wow, I can put some chicken and bunnies together. And look at the cute topper. I'll save those and I can use them next year. The toppers. And then here, oh boy, what do we have? She's been a busy lady, that's for sure. Happy Easter. Oh, this is cute. She decorated the cover. It's a nice little notebook. Is that like a traveler's notebook size? That is so cute. Thank you, Thelma. What a good idea. And I have a wooden chick here. Came out of the egg. And a beautiful topper. Bunch of flower stickers, and I have something else here. This is really a challenge with one hand, let alone using my left hand. Oh, it's a cute little rosette on there. Look at that. Adorable. Oh, I think it's another little, no, is it? Oh, it opens. It's like a matchbook. Very cute. What an awesome idea. Oh, I love that. That's a great idea. And we got this, and this looks like it's on chipboard. Very cute to hang up. My friend. Look how happy the duck is. And over here is the pocket letter, and here's one of her very famous tassels that she makes. They're gorgeous. There's so many different things on here. Love it. Sparkly eyelash trim and string with the pom-poms on it. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, and this ribbon is adorable. I hope you can see it. Very cute. And then on the pocket letter we have a bunny and an egg. Bunny with a flower. And we've got the shaker in the middle. I did a shaker in the middle for her too, but I don't think mine shakes. I think I put too much in it. This is so cute, Thelma. I love it. And look at the background paper is all Happy Easter and egg hunt. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much, Thelma. It's so beautiful and cheery. And look at, there's some bunnies in here. Wow, thank you so much, Thelma. I just love it. And I'm sorry mine's so late, but it will be there this week, I'm pretty sure. So, for now, I'll say goodbye and thank everybody for watching. And if you like the video, please push the thumbs up and leave a comment. And I will be back on with a Temu haul and a couple other things. So everybody enjoy your day and the rest of the weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.